Hello, today we will guide you through how to connect TikTok to Whop. In this walkthrough, we'll show you how to link your TikTok account to your Whop account using the connected accounts settings. This is a simple process, and once everything is connected, it can make it easier to manage your account setup in one place. To begin, open Whop and go to the home page. Make sure you're logged into the correct account before continuing, since the connection will be added to the profile you're currently using. If the page takes a moment to load, just wait until the main dashboard or home feed is fully visible. Once you're on the Whop homepage, look to the top right corner of the screen and click on your profile account. This will open the account menu where you'll find options related to your profile and personal settings. If you don't immediately see the menu appear, click once more and give it a second to open. From there, click on the settings icon. This will take you into the area where you can manage different parts of your Whop account. Settings is where Whop keeps options for account preferences, profile details, and integrations. So this is the right place to go when you want to connect an external platform like TikTok. After the settings page opens, find and click on Connected Accounts. This section is specifically for linking third-party accounts to Whop. Taking a moment here to make sure you're in the right section can help avoid confusion, especially if there are several tabs or options listed in the settings menu. Inside Connected Accounts, look for TikTok and click on it. This starts the process of linking your TikTok account. Depending on your browser or device, a new window or prompt may appear asking you to continue to TikTok for authorization. At this point, simply follow the on-screen procedure. You may be asked to sign into TikTok if you aren't already logged in, and then review the permissions required to complete the connection. Read each prompt carefully and approve the connection when you're ready. Once the authorization is complete, you should be returned to Whop, where the account connection should appear in your connected accounts list. If anything doesn't connect right away, refresh the page and check the Connected Accounts section again. And that's it. You've now gone through the process of connecting TikTok to Whop.